Hi, this is John from the Physician Travel Guide, and today we are headed to Beaches Resort in Turks and Caicos, taking a look at the S1 Seaside one-bedroom Concierge Villa Suite. The S1 Suites are recently renovated villas in the Caribbean village situated on the edge of the resort, closest to the Jerk Shack and Treasure Beach area. When I first walked into the room, it still had that new room smell. Everything from top to bottom has been refurbished. Every surface has been replaced with brand new furnishings throughout. The living room walks out to a beautiful wraparound balcony. The wet bar area comes stocked with beer, liquor, wine, soda, bottled water, and juices. The living room also has a smart TV with soundbar and subwoofer, perfect for those looking to watch a movie. Unlike the LV1 suites, the S1 can accommodate up to 5 guests with a Murphy bed and pull-out sofa. Other rooms at Beaches Turks and Caicos utilize a daybed trundle bed combination to accommodate 3rd and 4th guests in each room. While I have not personally slept in the daybed or trundle bed, I have heard mixed reviews regarding its comfort level. Now moving on to one of my favorite parts of the S1 suite, the bathroom. The only way to describe it is simply breathtaking. Beaches has definitely decided to differentiate these rooms with spa-style bathrooms, with elegant appointments, a soaking tub large enough for 2, and a rain shower head. No detail has been overlooked. Now moving on to the master bedroom. It is large, bright, and airy, with a king-size bed and spectacular views. My wife and I both love this quiet and secluded part of the resort. A special note on the view here, not all S1s are guaranteed an oceanfront view. Some rooms have views of lush gardens. This being said, this ocean view can be requested through your travel agent. It's also important to note that the S1 is part of Beach's Concierge class with upgraded services and amenities, including access to the Concierge Lounge, plus a special Concierge exclusive excursion. Lastly, it would be my pleasure to assist you with booking this or any other accommodation at Beaches Turks and Caicos. For assistance, please visit us at physiciantravelguide.com for your no obligation quote. As always, thanks for taking the time to tune in. Have a great day.